In today's video, I'm going to teach you about display IDs in Wix Studio. As you dive deeper into creating dynamic and visually captivating websites with Wix, understanding the role of display IDs becomes increasingly important. So, what exactly are these display IDs and why should you care about them? Display IDs are essentially unique identifiers assigned to different elements within your Wix site. Think of them as the digital fingerprints of your site's components, especially in the context of managing your content efficiently using the CMS, or content management system, that Wix offers. Each element, be it a text box, image, or a section, is given an ID that helps you pinpoint it, much like how every home has a distinctive address. When you start working with elements on your Wix site, you'll notice these identifiers appear when you click on them, something along the lines of hashtag box 11 or page 11. These IDs are automatically generated and serve as a crucial part of organizing and customizing your site's layout and functionality. Knowing these identifiers allows you to manipulate and style your elements with precision, especially when you're tapping into more advanced features like custom coding or integrations. Moving on to field IDs, these are another critical aspect to be aware of. Field IDs are the identifiers designated to each collection field within your CMS. They play a vital role when you are looking to add fields to your expressions or intend to connect the visual components of your site to specific data fields effortlessly. So, whenever you need to ensure that your new blog post pulls in the correct image or that your product page displays the right price, field IDs will be your best ally. They ensure that your data is displayed accurately and dynamically, making your site not just more interactive but also rich in personalized content. To get a comprehensive overview of the identifiers for each element and section on your site, Wix offers a handy feature. On the left sidebar, there's an option to access layers. By clicking this, you'll open up a list that showcases all your site's elements organized neatly by their respective places. This makes managing your site's structure and understanding the hierarchy of your elements much simpler. Plus, the flexibility of toggling layers on and off allows you to focus on your design without getting overwhelmed by technical details unless you're ready to deal with them. In summary, mastering display IDs in Wix is like gaining the secret key to unlocking both efficiency and creativity in web design. By getting familiar with these identifiers, you enable yourself to deftly tie together the visual and data-driven aspects of your site, leading to a seamless and engaging online experience for your visitors. So next time you start fiddling with your site's layout or are delving into some dynamic content creation, remember to keep a keen eye on those display IDs. They're more than just numbers and hashes. They're your toolkit for web mastery.